Hi guys, today we are here in Mabinay Spring and because it's summer and you can see my back, there's a lot of people swimming and taking a bath because it's so hot. And you know, I really enjoy it because it's already summer and there's a lot of water still coming out from this spring. So come on, let's go and let's see the spring. Rightly, this is my first time visiting this place during summer. Actually, it's very, the spring is strong and there's a lot of water coming out, but still you can see the water here is already lowered, maybe due to there's a hole inside this spring. So, but still I would like to invite you to go here and experience your summer with the people here in Negros Oriental if you are here within our area. So actually Mabinay is more or less 40 kilometers from Kabankalan City, and from Dumaguete City it's also 100 kilometers I think. So it's not really far, so you can visit anytime you if you want to go here. There's also some of the cottages that you can rent overnight, so you can go here, or you can go directly to Kabankalan City, or you can go back to Dumaguete City if you want. Hindi ta manganta?
Ay, natatanay.
Yabang patingon. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sarah. Sige na, okay na ba? Thank you. My t-shirt, I got this t-shirt in Tuguegarao City when I was visited last years ago during our national SQA. When we say SQA, it is the State Universities and Colleges Athletic Association. So we visited there, and that's why I was able to eat pancit bilao. Bilao, I don't know, I forgot. Basta dalawang pancit. So I have eaten their pancit, and I also have tried the Carabao chicharon and also the Carabao's milk candy. There it was nice, and maybe later on I can show you some of my pictures when I visited in Tuguegarao, because I don't really have videos, because I'm not really fan of videos before when we visited the Tuguegarao city. It was nice. It was a nice place, and it was really a nice experience. So, sino pong taga Tuguegarao dyan? Paki-comment naman po sa comment section below if you want to discuss and if you want to make friends with me. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.